Estimates of the amounts in billions of dollars of U.S. online advertising spending from 2011 to 2015 are shown in the table. I did not provide the scatter plot. Now remember, you can use your TI Inspire and use it to create a scatter plot and then use the exponential regression to come up with an exponential growth model. They've already done that for you. They've used their regression feature to come up with this exponential growth model, where S is the amount of spending in billions of dollars, and T equals 11 represents 2011. So this problem's kind of split into two parts. Part A is asking us to compare the values by the model with the estimates in the table. So what we need to do is store this function in our calculator. And then we're going to plug in different t values to compare with what's in the table. So remember, t equals 11 is 2011. So this is t equals 11. This is t equals 12, t equals 13, t equals 14, and t equals 15. So now that I've stored my function, I can quickly calculate that. S of 11 is approximately 32.198. S of 12 is approximately 36.047. S of 13 is approximately 40.355. S of 14 is approximately 45.178, and S of 15 is approximately 50.578. So if I really want to show a comparison, what I can do up here is add an extra row to this table. And what I'm going to do is label this row as my model, S of t. And I'm going to plug in my values I just got below. So this is about 32.2 if I round. This is 36.0. This is 40.4. This is 45.2. And this is 50.6. So we can see very up and close, I'm going to say this is part A, how our models compare with what was given in the table. Now we can focus in on the second part of the problem. I'm going to call it part B. According to this model, when will the amount of U.S. online advertising reach $80 billion? So that is when, what time, at what time does our spending equal 80 billion? So that's 80 equals 9.30 e to the 0.1129t. I've got an exponential equation now. I'm going to isolate my base. 80 divided by 9.30 equals e to the 0.1129t. Now I can use inverse property. ln of 80 over 9.30 equals ln of e to the 0.1129t. ln of e cancels out, and I have ln of 80 over 9.30 equals 0.1129t. So to isolate t, I'll divide by that decimal. ln of 80 over 9.30 divided by 0.1129. Now this is the point where you should plug this in your calculator. T is approximately 19.061. But what year is that? Well, we know t equals 11 is 2011. So this is 11 plus 8.061. So this is 2011 plus 8.061. So plus 8, we have 2019.061. So we can say we hit 80 million dollars spent on advertising in 2019.